I'm Todd Brown with Next Action Associates. Let's talk about the tools that you might use to implement getting things done, to make your life easier, to reduce the sources of friction in the way that you work. At the end of the day, you don't need terribly sophisticated tools. You basically just need something that allows you to keep some sort of list-keeping capability. Ideally, to be able to subdivide those lists or categorize those lists is helpful as well. And if that's the only requirement, of course, then we've got a huge range of possibilities, everything from paper to, to the very latest list-making app. But what I recommend for most folks is that they start with the application that they're probably using already at work, right? Most people are given something, right? Whether it's the, the Google suite of apps, or whether it's Outlook, or whether it's Lotus Notes, or whatever it is. All of those can be used to create a very full-featured system that will support GTD working. And what's nice about that as well is that because for example, in Outlook, for example, if I have an email and I decide that I want to turn that into a reminder that, that I need to talk to the boss about it, let's say, that can be done with a click and drag. Okay. Similar features are available in the other tools as well. So using the tool you have already means that you'll be able to deal more effectively with the information that you're receiving anyway in the office. So I'd start there. But then, from there, go with the tools you like. Download that latest app that looks really cool, or you got a recommendation about from your colleague. Give it a try. Always have in mind it's best if the tools integrate as well. So if it, for example, is something that runs on your iPhone or on your Android device, make sure that it does in fact synchronize, ideally, with your email back at the office. But use the tools you like. Just make sure that they're tools that do in fact reduce the sources of friction in the ways that you work.